Davis. A Buccaneer legend, number 14, Brayden Foster. Number 6, the Big Foster, Ty Foster. The man himself, they call him KG, Camden Garrett, number 2. Let's go, baby! At number 33, the man himself, Taylon Hicks. Mr. Muscles, number 15, Devin Hunter. They call him JJ. He's swift on his feet. Number 22, Jalen Jackson. Number 11, big dog status, Deshaun Johnson. The Boogie Man, number 30, Javon Lewis. At number 12, the little man himself, Tommy Lindsay Jr. I love this next guy, number 25, Terrell Love. Number 1, Mr. Efren Marquez. A big dog on that D-line, number 89, Xavier McKenzie. A Buccaneer OG, El Terrible, number 55, Mario Mendez. On the end, Mr. number 9, Nyland Miller. You'll hear this guy's name again, Mr. College, number 4, Anthony Perry. They call him Ohio, number 35, Anthony Rivas. He needs no introduction. The Buccaneer legend, the Heisman, number 5, Calvin Richards. Pick number 40, a football legend himself, Nathan Rowe. Next up, Pac-Man, number 31, Peyton Simmons. They call him Urlacher, number 8, York St. Hill. Leading the Buccaneer troops, number 16, no Tebow, his name is Keegan Touchstone. The original Buccaneer, he hails from Mr. Rick Hart Kilo Kafuga! Big Ultra 88, Adrian Vasquez. And they call him Z. You might know him as Zion White, number 13. Zion White. So what's my favorite word? 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 Who do you want to be like? Who you can't be like? What's my favorite word? What's my favorite word? What's my favorite word? Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Hey, DJ, where you at, baby?
Let's go, baby. Hey, David, with the team. Bird, let's get it.
the kickoff, number 5. Good kickoff. Number 1 with the return. So he makes a move, breaks the tackle. Tackled. At the 44-yard line. Hurricane ball. First down, Hurricanes. Quarterback sneak. A gain of about 4 yards on the play.
Hey, Brady! Hey, go get Brady.
Quarterback navigator. Third down, gain of 1 on the run. Third down for the Hurricanes. Takes the tackle. It's tackled behind the line by number 5. Number 2 with a loss of 2 yards. Fourth down. For the Hurricanes. Number 13 with the tackle. With the catch. A gain of 1 yard on the play. And off, number 23 tackled at the 40-yard line. No gain on the play. Number 22 with the carry. Buccaneers. Hand off to number 4. A gain of about 3 yards. Third down. Third down. Third down. Hand off to number 5. Comes to the outside. Breaks the tackle. Still running. First down. Buccaneers. Ball at the 34. Tackle behind the line. No gain on the play. Number 3 with the carry. Number 9 with the tackle. And off to number 5. Breaks the tackle. Gain of 1 yard. Number 5 on the carry. Number 12 with the tackle. Pulled out the ball at the 24-yard line. And out to number 5. Tackled after a gain of 2 yards by number 21. A gain of 2 on the play. Number 12 with the carry. Number 7 with the tackle. Second down, Hurricanes. Tackled after a gain of 1 yard. Number 3 with the tackle on the play.
Almost
intercepted by number 11. Almost intercepted by number 11. Nearly intercepted once again by number 11. Ladies and gentlemen, if he intercepts that, he takes it home for a touchdown. Turnover on down. Buccaneers. Number 5 with the carry. Bounces it to the outside. Breaks a tackle. Nice. First down to the Buccaneers. 10 yards on the carry by number 5. Number 1 at the tackle. Tackle for a loss, number 98, or number 88 in on the tackle. Ball on the 23. Toss to number 5. Breaks the tackle, gain of about 2 yards on the play. Third down, Buccaneers. Third down, Buccaneers. Fumble. Hurricane ball, fumble. Hurricane ball. First down, Hurricanes. We run 3 yards on the run. Number 21 with the carry. No huddle. Quarterback keeper. Tackled after only 1 yard. Third down, Hurricanes. Ball at the 20. Throws it deep. Almost a catch. Intended for number 20. Fourth down for the Hurricanes. Timeout, Hurricanes. With the tackle. Gain of about 4 yards on the toss. Ball at the 21-yard line. Toss to number 5. Makes a move. Breaks the tackle. Touchdown! Buccaneers! Number 5 with the touchdown. 13-yard run. The 1-point conversion is good. Number 4 with the carry. Number 40 with the kick.
Get it! Get that ball! Get it!
Number 3 running the back. Makes a move. Puts the tackle. Down at the 27-yard line.
Let's go defense! Ready! Good job, Greg. Good job.
I keep saying that to me though. I can't. Hey, stop.
First down Hurricanes. Quarterback keeper. Bounces it to the outside, makes a movement. Somebody missed. Down at the 41-yard line. Quarterback with about a 10-yard gain.
Stay hitting the man. Hey, stay hitting the man.
Tackled for no gain. The 21 with the tackle. And the 21 with the parry. No gain on the play. Second down, Hurricanes. Ball at the 40-yard line.
Hey, you got 12. Always.
Ball at the 40-yard.
Get up, Jojo!
Throws it deep. Nearly intercepted by number 30.
Hey, offense! Come here! You ready? Hey, Greg!
Number 33 with the big hit. Number 12. Nearly intercepted once again.
Defense!
40-yard line. Tackles for a big loss of 3 yards by the Buccaneers defense. Number 9 in with the tackle, 21 inside. Parents, please, off the grass. Get on the concrete. You do not play football. Get on the concrete. Thank you. Second down, Buccaneers. Ball at the 45-yard line. Quarterback keeper out to the side, number 16 running. Makes a move. Tackle right before the 30-yard line. Number 16 with a 2-yard gain. And out to number 3. Breaks the tackle, still moving, still up. Tackled after about a 4-yard gain on the run, Bears. 29-yard line. Throws it to number 5. Nearly makes the reception. If he catches it, that was a first down. Turnover on downs, Hurricane ball. Still on his feet. Number 3 with a 5-yard tackle. Tackled by number 9. Second down, Hurricanes. Tackle for loss, number 3. Loss of 1 yard on the play. Third down, Hurricanes.
All right.
on the offense. Line. Hand off. One on the carry. Pick up of about 4 yards on the run. The number 21. Quarterback sneak. Pick up for about 4 yards on the carry.
Everybody back up.
Ball start on the offense. First down Hurricanes. Back to number 21. Number 22 with the tackle. Joined by number 9. No gain on the play. Second down. Going after number 21. Makes a move, takes a tackle. 33 and number 22 with the tackle. Gain of about 2 yards on the play. Third down, Hurricanes. Hurricanes. Gain of about 1 yard on the run. On the play. Number 15 with the sack. Loss of about 3 yards on the play. Turnover on downs. First down. Buccaneers. 40-yard line. Number 3 with the handoff. Breaks it out to the right side. He's going at the 30. He's at the 20. Makes a move. He's still running. Tackled at the 10-yard line. Number 25 with the tackle. First down Buccaneers at the 10-yard line. Hand off to number 5, breaks it to the outside. And gain of about 1 yard on the play. Number 5 with the carry. The 11-yard line. Hand off to number 4. Tackled after a gain of 1 yard. Number 12 with the tackle. Down Buccaneers. The 10-yard line. Gives it to number 5. Makes a move, breaks a tackle. Just shy of a touchdown. Fourth down, Buccaneers. At the 1-yard line. Number 3 tackled. Not to have it. Turning around down. First down, Hurricanes. To the inside. Again, about 2 yards. Number 3 on the carry. Tackled at their gain of 1 yard on the play. Number 21 with the carry. Hand off to number 33, bounces to the outside. Tackled by number 22. Gain of about 3 yards on the run. First down. Bounces to the outside, running. Makes a move. Huge hit by number 4. Still a first down for the Hurricanes.
Hey, back up! Hey, by yourself!
Number 12 with the reception. Down, Hurricane. Number 3 with the kick. Crosses it to the outside, makes an 1 minute. Still running. Going tackle.
Short field! Let's go, Bob! Let's go, Bob! Look for party!
First down, Hurricanes. 23. Tackled for a huge loss. Loss of about 4 or 5 yards. Quarterback keeper. 3 with the kickoff. Tackle for no gain. 3rd down. Gain of 1 yard, excuse me. Number 12 with the reception, breaks the tackle, keeps going. Continue 4th down ball. Pass to number 12. Tackle for gain 1 yard. Turnover on downs, Buccaneers ball.
Hey, back up, folks!
Hey, girls, back up, back up!
Snap, number 3 with the carry. Gets the block and then somebody missed. Still going, hit. Number 2, 3, and 12 in the tackle. Number 3 runs it for the 1st down. 1st down Hurricanes. 1st down Buccaneers, excuse me. Ball at the 49. And out to number 5, breaks it to the outside. Breaks the tackle, still going. That appears to be another 1st down for the Bucks. 2nd down. And snap. 3rd down. He lost it about 2 yards. Ball at 48. Low snap. Throws it deep. Oh my God. If he catches that, could possibly be a touchdown. Then the other one with the drop pass.
Should be on his way.
Hand out to number 3. Takes the throw, makes somebody miss. Billy. Gain of about 5 yards on arm. Hit in the backfield. No gain on the run.
Okay.
Number 21 with the tackle. And out to number 21. 3rd down, gain of about 2 yards on the run. 4th down number 22. And 15. Auto offense, 3rd down. Ooh, hit in the backfield and the throw with a big hit. Number 3, tackled for a 1 yard loss. Fourth down, Hurricanes. They're at the 41-yard line. Number 3 takes it. Runs it to the outside, takes it. Makes a man miss. There's a flag on the play. And fumble the ball. It's recovered by number 21. It's snap. It's hit the number 1 by number 21.
Hey, back up, y'all. Hey, I'm gonna keep running y'all back.
Ball at the 48. Number 1, makes somebody miss. Takes it to the outside, makes the tackle. Still going. Number 4 with the tackle. 49 Hurricanes, a gain of about 8 yards. Showdown Hurricanes. Timeout Hurricanes. Showdown Hurricanes.
Still up and around doing their thing, you know, looking good.
Number 21. Unfortunately, the Bulldogs will be outside number 1 with the tackle. That's a gain of about 5 yards on the run by number 14, number 1 with the tackle. Second down, Buccaneers. At the 47. On the inside, number 4. Third down, gain of about 1 yard. First down, Buccaneers, ball at the 49-yard line. Hand off to number 22. Second down, Buccaneers, gain of 3 yards. Buccaneers. Off number 5, takes the tackle. Third down, Buccaneers. Ball at the 46. Hand off number 5, bounces to the outside. Another man miss. Another man miss. First down, Buccaneers. Ball at the 34-yard line. Hand off to number 14. Number 4. He's still running, still in. Another first down. Number 4. With the carry.
Hey! Is that for the player? Yeah! That's the player of the game!
First down, Buccaneers. The ball at the 2-yard line.
He'll run that too.
Ball start on the offense. Ball at the 24-yard line. Hand it off to number 3, bounces to the inside. Fumble. Down player. No fumble on the play, no fumble. Number 2 with the carry, bounces to the outside, makes him a mess. Takes it back to the inside. Good run by 22. Third down.
They ain't say that. They ain't let you that catch. They let you that catch on slash yard.
Number 4 with the carry. Tackle for no gain. Ball at the 12-yard line. Number 22 with the carry. Tackle for the loss. Loss of about 3 yards on the run. Hurricanes. And they're off to number 21. It's the tackle, keeps running. Flag on the play. Breaks the tackle, still running. There's a gain of about... Running back. Number 22 with the tackle. There's a flag on the play.
Push him back! Push him back!
Hurricanes. Escape the pressure. Runs out of bounds. Fourth down, Hurricanes.
You got a sharp?
Buccaneers. Coming up. Ball the right. Pass, makes a man miss. Still running. Makes another man miss. Tackled by number 21. That is a first down. Ball at the 26-yard line. Now throws it. Completion. Tackled out of bounds. Low snap, quarterback sees it. Left her up on top. He gained it about 3 yards. Third down. A big third down for the Buccaneers defense. On the offense. Quarterback to the sack. Number 9, big sack. The defender now has the football. Huge defensive play. Huge sack. Number 9. Number 12 is on the tackle. Number 4 with the carry. About 1 yard. First down, Buccaneers. The carry back from the with the play. Nothing on that. Tackle for a loss. Number 5 is the tackle. Number 21 is the help.
That's right!
Ball at the 36. And off to number 5, bounce to 3. That's another man. Still going. Huge first down. Huge first down for the Buccaneers. And ball at 21. Huge run by number 5. Minute left in the game. Before he takes the carry, bounce to the outside. Still going. He recovered it.
Do it again.
Buccaneers. Clock is running. Next stop. Lost 2 yards. And the Buccaneers have won. Ladies and gentlemen, here's the round of applause to all the footballers out there to a great game. Give both teams a round of applause. Good game.